Hey everybody, it's Dr. D again, surgeon with a gun. As 2017 comes to a close, at least if you're in California, the issue of, for gun people, ammunition and its availability becomes a problem. Early in 2017, I started implementing a partial solution to this problem, and it basically was a matter of learning to reload. And I started reloading revolver ammunition because it's easier. Nevertheless, when you're looking at revolver ammunition, there are a lot of choices. One of those choices is what you're going to make as a projectile, i.e. which is the active end of the bullet. And there are multiple different things available here. This is one of them. This is called Bayou Bullets. The company's called Bayou Bullets. The product they manufacture is a polymer coated bullet, which is actually cheaper and has some advantages. I'm going to do a little mini review of Bayou Bullet's polymer coated bullet versus Blue Bullets, a competitor, and at least tell you what I think of those items. Okay, I probably should have said before that this pertains specifically to my experience loading for short barrel revolvers, because that's all I do. I have a couple. On the left here, you've got a 357 casing, I should say cartridge, because it's loaded, with a Bayou Bullets projectile. There are a couple of Bayou Bullets projectiles next to it, and on the right you've got a Blue Bullets, obviously it's blue, cartridge, and a Blue Bullets casing. What you notice when you look at these things is the Bayou Bullets, for those of you who prefer a crimp groove, have a crimp groove built in, and that would seem to be an advantage. Blue Bullets do not have that, and I thought that was going to be an issue for me. It turned out it really wasn't. When you shoot these things, what you notice is there's a whole heck of a lot less smoke, particularly if you're shooting lead bullets, and I'm not a real fan of lead bullets. Of course, plated or jacketed bullets will do the same thing as they cover the lead. But one advantage is these things are less expensive than either plated or jacketed bullets. The limitation is the covering here, particularly with the Bayou Bullets covering, is a little bit delicate. In fact, on this particular one you can see a little chip that I put in it by being a little rough with the reloading dies. That could have also happened sitting around in one of my cases. The Bayou Bullets coating seems to be a little more durable. I haven't really beaten it up as much. Either of these you have to be careful with when you reload. Specifically when you bell the case, you have to bell the case adequately so you don't scrape the finish. This is more of an issue for the Bayou Bullets bullet than it is for the Blue Bullets bullet, because again, I think the covering here is a little more durable, so you're able to be a little less careful with it when you're reloading. On accuracy, I'm probably going to say I'm a little better with the Blue Bullets, although I started loading them later, which means I've shot more, which means I may just be better. Not to mention that the Blue Bullets I got in 125 grain, and I'm a little better with 125 grain. Whether that's an issue with my revolvers or just me, I don't really know. But nevertheless, if I were to say, is one better than the other, I'm hedging toward Blue Bullets being better, but I'm also moving more and more toward polymer coated bullets as my preferred target round, because they're relatively easy to work with, and Blue Bullets is probably a little easier to make or to reload than the Bayou Bullets are. So in assessment, I'd say maybe the Blue Bullets are a shade better. I'm using them right now. I'm kind of using up all my Bayou Bullets, and I probably won't order from them again unless something changes. Well, nevertheless, that's my brief review. Hope you enjoyed it.